Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Easy here, and today we're going to be talking about the Ryzen 7 5800X. So suddenly it went down from $449 to $171. So I ordered it, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit like, yeah, the what the packaging guys didn't do a really good job, and looking clean though. I like the packaging. You guys know that I use Intel for like my main streaming gaming PC. Ew. But I was like, what about we build another one? A lot of people are saying like the CPU of Ryzen's are just like dope. They're the thing to go, and if you want to, you can use an Nvidia card. That's like the best thing to do right now. AMD processor and Nvidia graphics card. Okay guys, so over here we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X desktop processor. So of course we're like only gonna see like good comments, you know what I'm saying? It says 8 cores optimized for high FPS gaming rigs. General specifications, bro. AMD Ryzen 7 5800X 5000 series desktop box processor. Yes, that's what I got right now, and it says 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 4.7 gigahertz. That is pretty fast, and the base clock is 3.8 gigahertz, so that is also pretty good, pretty fast. What I do like though is that it has 32 megabytes of cache for L3. I have the 13700 KF iCore 7 over here. I think it only has like 30. That's like, it's even less than the AMD, but this is still AM4. DDR4. This is what I really didn't get either. I thought for some reason this was still going to be DDR5. That's what I get for not reading the instructions. That it's a 5000 series processor. I was like, okay, this got to be DDR5, right? Like, but it's not, because it was launched in 2020 on May the 11th. Okay guys, so we're gonna open it up, and like I said, it's been 4 years since the launch date of this processor. Oh my gosh, no way, I just did that. Yes, I did. I ripped it. I was supposed to peel it, but I didn't want to peel it. But yeah guys, it's been 4 years since this processor came out, and probably that's the reason why the price reduced so much. I was telling you guys, it went from like $450 to almost $160. So that's like a really price drop. I was like, what's going on? Okay, nothing comes here. It's just like a box. Important, please read the name. Okay, it is 5000 series. So I do remember people talking about that all you've had to do was update your motherboard or blah blah blah. That AMD has a lot of upgrade path. Oh, okay, now I see why. These are the processors that still have like those pins. You know, there we go guys. Like, can you guys see it really good right there? The pins are on the processor, not on the motherboard. So yeah, I'm not really gonna mess with that right now. This is what other people were paying $500 almost for just up to a few months ago. Like, right, for some reason Ryzen was like, yeah, we can't sell that price anymore, so we're just gonna cut it down a little bit. It looks so clean though. Okay guys, so that's basically what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. This processor, and it was launched in 2020. It's 2024, and that's probably why they reduced the price so much. I'm guessing they have so much of these, and they were like, yeah, let's just cut the price tag and get them out of here, because the CPU processor like fight has been so hard. Everybody's looking to get the best performance for the cheapest power consumption and the most threads and the most cores. Like, these processors are like 8 cores, 16 threads, and they're like, yeah, just throw that one away. Like, it's crazy, bro. My PC has 16 cores and 24 threads again. Like, and that's just how much technology is evolving. But I still feel like this is really a good gaming rig. In the upcoming video, you guys are going to see how this turns out in a PC and everything, and how it runs with some benchmarks. Let's have fun with that. But yeah, that was the main talk today about the 5800X. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do leave your comments down below. Leave your thoughts, your opinions. Do you have this processor? Do you have something? I want to know. And see you guys next time.